eBay Traffic Building Strategies. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build traffic to your eBay store with several straightforward strategies that are widely practiced by e-commerce practitioners. When it comes to building up traffic to your eBay store, information is the essential key which will help you build up your eBay store significantly. That being said, all you need is to focus on 7 simple steps and master them, and everything from here on will be a smooth sailing for your eBay store success. Have you heard of the saying, content is everything? Well, there is a lot of truth in that. When ranking products based on the best match criteria on eBay, your listing has to match that of your searchers. So the content you use in your product title has to match that of your search. The closest listing goes to the top. There are other criteria involved like your feedback, your sales history, the category your product's in, etc., but it all starts with the product title. Placing keywords strategically in your content is not only vital for eBay but also for your eBay listings ranking in Google and other search engine results. Search engines rank you on different attributes like page title, meta keywords, descriptions, and content on the page. As Google ranks eBay listings fast and gives it high placements in its search results, why not put the time in to not only maximize your eBay ranking, but also your off-eBay rankings as well? Take the free traffic on the offer from Google, as these visitors will enter your eBay store and buy. Using video in your listings when hosted on YouTube can get you tons of extra traffic from the search engines and video engines alone. Google in particular. Google loves video, and because you assign a title, description, tags, keywords to your video when uploading it, this information will get you good listings, if done correctly. So if you strategically use your keywords and key phrases in these attributes and match these with your visitor's search, then your videos will have a great chance of appearing in the top 10 in Google and other search and video engines. Simply add a URL link to the intro and the end of your videos, and if you like all the way through, and take this free traffic from the search engines. eBay start and end times to buy it now listings are vital to ensure you maximize sales when people search using the end time search criteria. To fully maximize this option, look at the TerraPeak data, as it will tell you the exact times when people buy based on previous eBay results data. Running GTC listings will give you longevity of these product listings in the non-eBay search engines like Google, and over time your product will be in the top 10 results in Google for your given keyword. Traffic will then enter your eBay shop from the Google results. Take this opportunity to use the free search engine traffic. eBay buyer's guides are a superb way of generating traffic from eBay and Google. On eBay, your guides are presented in some results, often in the left or right columns under the heading Related Guides, and also from the Guides section that is a very active area of the eBay site. Why? Because the buyer's guides rank in the top 10 Google search results. So when you have 2 or 3 entry points alone from these guides, the buyer's guides also give you credibility and authority in your niche, building confidence and trust in your product. Use external sites to generate traffic and send this directly to your eBay shop and products. You can do this via blog sites, article sites and directories, social networking pages, classified ads, and even e-commerce stores. Try the new eBay to Go data feed by displaying eBay listings on the above sites, sending targeted, ready-to-buy traffic to view your products in your eBay store. Google has a blog software called Blogger, and they even host it for you, and the charge is free. The most popular self-hosted blog software is WordPress, and this has some really good SEO add-on modules, and of course, bloggers like it because it's free. The more links a web page has, link popularity, and the higher quality links, link reputation a web page has, the higher it will ultimately be ranked by Google. This goes for eBay pages as well as non-eBay pages. So get linking if you want traffic from other means such as Google. Higher quality links basically means the page it is linking from. Is this related to the destination site? And also, what does the link say? Anchor text. Does it have keywords in the link itself? So if you are strategic about this, you can link from your eBay buyer's guides to your shop and from your product listings to your shop, And the key is from external sites directly to your shop using good keyword-rich anchor text. Next, watch your traffic expand as you not only gain eBay traffic, but also traffic from Google and other search engines. PageRank is also involved in the quality of links when using Google, and again, this is simply the quality of the page that links are from. The higher the PR, the better it gets. Get subscribers and communicate often with them to offer your products and services. Place a newsletter email option box on your eBay shop and all of your websites. Add an RSS newsfeed subscribe link to your About page. Ask them questions via surveys, run competitions, give away freebies, and your customers will see you as an authority and an expert in your field or niche, and will hang on every word you say. Then, when you offer them products and services, they will buy from you.